South African attacker Mohamed Kota is attracting growing attention from clubs around the world following an increase in his market value, according to his agent Karabo Matang Tabuse. Karabo confirmed that the 23-year-old winger, who currently plays for Al Ettifaq in the Saudi Pro League, remains safe and focused on his football despite tensions affecting parts of the Middle East. Kota, a former Orlando Pirates forward, joined Saudi side at the beginning of the season in a deal believed to be worth 1.5 million euro, approximately 36 million rand. The transfer also included performance-related adds-on that could push the total value to about 2.15 million rand, around 50 million rand. Recent posts suggest that Al Ettifaq now value the South African winger at roughly 3 million euro, about 60 million rand, reflecting his rising profile in the international market. Despite the increasing in valuation, Kota has had limited involvement in recent weeks. In the club's last 8 matches, he has only featured for brief periods and was absent from 4 fixtures, sparking speculation about his role under head coach Saad Al Shiri. According to Sportsboom, Kota's current valuation could complicate the possibility of a move with the Saudi Pro League should Al Ettifaq decide to entertain offers. The reported price tag may also narrow the pool of potential buyers within the league, potentially shifting interest toward clubs in other international markets. A return to South African football appears unlikely in the short term. Financial demands associated with the player, combined with the closure of the local transfer window, could make such a move difficult to facilitate. Karabo acknowledged that Nkosa's talent and potential naturally continue to draw attention from the clubs across different leagues, and said obviously he's a valuable player, so there will always be interest from across the globe regarding him. There's always interest in him because we operate on a bigger platform. The clubs often approach us directly to express interest in his services. Football is always about progression, whether it's after 1 or 2 sessions. It's something we plan carefully with our clients. For now, we are simply monitoring the situation. She also reassured supporters that Nkota remains safe and focused on his professional duties despite ongoing tensions in parts of the Middle East. Said everything is fine where he is situated. He continues to train and compete professionally with his teammates and coaching staff despite the situation around him. His safety is our priority. We stay in close contact with him and he has assured us that he is safe. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.